There is no pit so deep his voice can't reach. They told you it's too late, that you've fallen too far, that you've gone too deep, that even God wouldn't bother with someone like you. But who told them they had the right to speak for God? Who gave man the authority to declare what grace can't reach? Because the Bible doesn't say his arm is short. It says his arm is not too short to save. There is no pit so deep his voice can't reach, not the pit of addiction, not the pit of shame, not the pit of sin, suicide or spiritual despair, not the prison you built with your own hands. Hell may have mocked you, religion may have given up on you, the world may have erased you, but heaven is still calling your name. Ask Jonah. He ran, he rebelled, he sank, down into the belly of death, swallowed by judgment, drowning in darkness. And yet, from the depths he cried, and the Lord heard. God didn't wait for Jonah to clean himself up. He didn't wait for repentance to rise before rescue came. He spoke into the belly of a fish, and that monster had to vomit out the prophet it thought it had swallowed. Ask David. Adulterer, murderer, liar. He dug his own pit. But even from that place he cried, "Create in me a clean heart, O God." And the voice of mercy answered. Ask the thief on the cross, nailed for crimes he actually committed. No time to fix his past, no chance to perform rituals, no time to join a church. But Jesus didn't wait. He said, "Today you will be with me in paradise." Because even in the shadow of death, his voice reaches. Skeptics mock this grace. They say, "It's not fair." Exactly. It's not. It's mercy. And mercy breaks every human system. Imams preach a God who might forgive, if you've done enough. Priests teach penance, steps, and sacramental ladders to maybe reach favor. Pastors preach behavior before belief. But the true God speaks into graves, into caves, into pits so deep no man can find you. And when he speaks, life answers. You think your depression is too thick for him to find you? His voice pierced the tomb of Lazarus. "Come forth!" And the dead walked out wrapped in grave clothes. You think your failure disqualifies you? Peter denied Jesus 3 times, cursed, ran. But on the shore Jesus spoke, "Feed my sheep." And the failure became the rock. There is no pit so dark, so foul, so forgotten, that his voice cannot shatter the silence. Your addiction doesn't scare him. Your trauma doesn't confuse him. Your secret sin doesn't surprise him. He saw it all, and he still calls. He doesn't whisper to the clean. He calls the broken by name. "Adam, where are you?" "Hagar, where have you come from?" "Saul, why do you persecute me?" He speaks. Not after you climb out. Not once you prove yourself. He speaks into the pit, and his voice creates ladders where there were only walls. If you're in a pit today, you don't need man's opinion, you need God's voice. And he's still speaking, still calling, still commanding graves to open, chains to fall, and prodigals to come home. You don't rise first and then hear him. You hear him, and then you rise, because his voice carries where religion won't go. His mercy runs where theology stops. His love descends into places you'd never dare admit to others. There is no pit so deep his voice can't reach. And if you listen now, you'll hear him calling you by name to come out and live.